And in today's video, what is my attempt is to find the best diagram tool or AI tool, software versus AI, that can make the process of making diagrams, mind maps, much easier. To do that, I will research with you few tools online. I actually did some research on the tools, but we will check together those to first understand they're easy to use them, easiness on getting the job done. Probably I will vote each tool from 1 to 10 in terms of easy to use, availability for free, easy to use for free. That's it. Let's go with it. I searched about 10 plus tools. In the end, probably I will announce what is the winner, in my opinion. You can tell me also your opinion because we will be doing the search with you guys. So let's see what I found and how to use them. My purpose is to use them online rather than install them in the PC because it will take much longer and unless it is really worth it. But probably once my goal is to find the online or some online tools that are free and that can be used easily. So first of all, I noticed that there is a tool which is very well known called Canva, and there is a possibility to create diagrams. If you type Canva flowchart maker or diagram maker, you get probably to this screen. Let's see how it works. Seems like click to create a flowchart. We click into it. Interesting. It seems quite easy to use, but there are some limits. You can use certain diagrams for free, and certain of them you need to use the pro version. The pro version has a cost that is not the purpose of this video, so we're not gonna check. But you can use mind maps if you click on that. Some are free, very interesting. Concept maps, brain maps, ideas, interesting, very beautiful. SWOT analysis, for example, try it for free. We don't want this. We just want to use them. There is not. I clicked not to the pro one, so you can zoom in, you can modify and change the text. Probably it's not super intuitive. It's definitely very useful, but I find out now that I need to click to edit to use it. If I double click to the text, it doesn't make me change it. I'm definitely not a user of Canva, as you can see. What I would wish is to just double click and change the text right away. I see the pen magic, right? Let's see what that does. Create summary. No. If you right click, then you can probably do something useful. Can definitely delete, duplicate, paste. I'm searching for some edit. I also noticed that if I made a mistake in the choice and if I want to go back, there is no super intuitive. I can change here probably the graphic if I choose. It add the new one. If I double click, nothing happen again. Again, is definitely me that I never used this tool before, but it's not very user friendly. I managed to click and change some text. So basically, you need to double click and then you can change the text one, etc. etc. So basically, you can click to design, choose the design you wish, or the element that you want to add, the brand, the whatever text you have, project, apps, charts, and you can modify here. It's definitely not immediate, but it can get the job done. So the vote of the possibility to get the job done, I would say a good 8 out of 10. 8 because it is you have to pay to get all the functionality, but you can get a lot done with Canva. It is easy to use. I would say 5 to 6, 5.5, because you can with some practice it can get easy to know how to use it, but it's not easy the first time, and that's my goal is to get the job done immediately. But doesn't mean that it's not valuable. It seems very valuable. especially if you have a pro subscription. But for a free subscription, it's still valuable. You can get a lot done. They also 5.5 because you can't. At the beginning, you could choose the type of graph you wanted to put. Now, it's not very sure to me how. Okay, you have to click back. When that back button was not very visible, um, you have to click here. You can get any graph, and then you can double click. Oops, you see, it's not the user would do is not immediately doing what I wish it to do. I clicked to an element, deleted, and it deleted the whole diagram. Probably because I deleted the whole. I deleted this. If I delete this, delete. Okay. Well, a bit of practice is not difficult to use. So 5.5, maybe 6. Let's give 6. Let's go to the next one. The good thing about this tool is that you can search graph you wish from the list rather than if you're new to diagrams in general, then you don't know what diagram you wish to have. But you can get definitely inspiration from Canva, choosing the of diagrams, scrolling here, and then choosing the one you prefer. Watch out that the one with the pro are not you can't use for free. You can use those without the pro. So overall vote 7. Let's go to the next one. I find this tool a draw max maker. This tool is actually a tool that you have to download to use it. It's not the purpose of this video. You can definitely try it yourself. I'll probably not review it, but still, the image, the GIF here can show you what it does overall. It seems something similar to the next one, draw.io, because you don't need some experience and practice to use it, to learn it. But it's something you can do online on the go. So I will vote this, but mention to you in case you want to try it. Next one, Draw.io is basically one of the best diagram editor for creating UI diagrams in a company if you want to create a logic of an application or a logic of business logic. This is a very good tool to do that. You can use it. You can save diagrams to Google Drive, OneDrive, device, into your device, Dropbox, GitHub, GitLab. You can diagram online. You can choose which one. You can. It seems quite easy to use, but probably okay. This allow you to download this on your PC. Yep. And okay, it allows you to change things online. Well, to do it, you need to learn a little bit. It is not difficult to understand that you need to click on the left for a row and then probably attach one part of the camera with the next element, for example. Okay, it seems quite easy to use, even though you need to understand which diagram and how to build them. But it's very easy, pretty much to use. It has a very good user experience. You can choose here the element, the misc will give you other elements, the advanced will give you the rows. I'm impressed positively. You can diagram, can go to draw.io, choose different diagrams, save them on your PC and work on them. You can save them on GitHub, GitLab, which is very interesting. You can them from different applications. You can embed images. It's basically a very full-fledged diagram application which you can use online. It is not immediately that you can use AI to help you to make things faster, but easy to use. I would say here a good 8.5. So the user 8.5. They easy to use. I would say good 8. So very good tool that you can use. Move to the next one. The next one, Figma. It is a tool that's used generally by designers, but it has also other tooling like for diagrams, FigJam, which you can try for free. You need to log in, and then we need to probably click to new FigJam board. Here you can choose different items. For example, let's choose this. Um, very intuitively here. There are items you can choose from the flowchart, advanced items. Let's add this test one. Yep, want to attach to another item, very beautiful looking, and then I want an arrow. Okay, you can decide, and I want a square item. Yes, there is. You can choose the shape, the shapes, the connector, and you can choose. You can do a lot for free, but you have to pay if you want these other advanced items. You can add the text. You can add the section, the table. That's very interesting that you can do that. You can add a sticky. Very easy to use. If I want to save it, okay, you can do as you would do generally in Office. I have basically it created right could drop in a new section. Interesting. So this can be graph. Well, easy to use. I would say 9. I like this most than anything else. For a very simple usage, obviously. Draw data seems that you can do a lot, but it takes longer. I need to know how to use. With FigJam, you can get up and running quite easily for when you need to make a diagram quickly. So I like it. 9 is to use. Complexity, no, I didn't say complexity. I would say 8. So 8.5. And let's move to the next one. Razer.io has this tool called Diagram GPT. This is interesting because it's an AI tool and you can use it for free. Let's say that I want a diagram of a school which represents students and bills that student to pay to be in that school. Build a diagram which represent a school with teachers, students, the yearly bill for students, and its correlation to the other elements. Something really just to test it out. Here we can see to detect we want an entity relationship. Let's say an entity relationship, and let's generate it. What is interesting is that this is to use super easy. You didn't have to figure out what to do. You just have to write a text. So far it seems free. Let's see. It gave me some question. What specific relationship would you like to have between teacher, student, and any bills? Yeah, teacher, grade level, everything. Let's make it as complex as we can. Wow, yearly bills. It seems a very good database schema. um, I'm impressed because I did this with no really, I didn't write a specific real use case, but it generated a diagram of me doing anything. So fantastic. I would say 10, 9, 9, I would say 10. Easy to use, get the job done. And I save the diagram, just like it. I can, if I click here into the three dots, export, and then export both. Yeah. I got the zip and I got the diagram. Good job done. This is a 10. I like this. I think so far is my favorite. Eraser Diagram GPT. Uh, let's move to the next. But I like it. I like the diagram up. This is the next. So here you can upload a chart. My expectation after Diagram GPT is very high for the next. So I'm gonna probably discard certain tool that I see that it doesn't get the job done as a to such standards. Let's get started. You have to upload a chart. I don't. Okay, seems a different purpose diagram. Let's probably this tool it converting diagrams, flowchart images. Hmm, I don't have flowchart images, so it's not. It doesn't convert. It's a converter probably from different type of from flowchart to a diagram. The purpose of this video. So I'm gonna move to the next one. Draw Max AI generator. So let's say I like already how it looks. It can choose which we want. I want, for example, a mind map, and I want to write mind map about my personal finances, my personal expenses, considering a salary of 2000 a month and rent of 400 per month, bills to 200 month, and food 500 per month. Show how much is left. I'm not caring about the grammar. Let's see what generate for free. Set, don't have wonder, create an account. Um, so I wouldn't because they want an account. Obviously, if you use it for free, it's okay to you to give your account. Be careful, obviously. Seems like it's a trusted font. Let's give it a try. Okay, it's a bit annoying. It's asking me to online free download. I don't want to download anything. Skip. Okay, but still it allow me. It created a diagram. Very interestingly, it get the job done. Very beautiful diagram. That yes, fantastic. I like it. Etro Max and diagram of eraser so far are the best. 10 out of 10. So Hydromax, Diagram GPT, that's the choice so far. Let's go to the next one. This I will skip because it asked me to download something. Miro is the next. Miro, it's I used it in a previous company when I worked in Paramount. It is very good tool. Definitely, I liked it. Definitely, is the order of the magnitude of Figma. You can sign up for free, so you have to sign up. You can create a team. I don't want to create a team. My team is only myself. Probably that's enough to say myself. Let's create a team with myself. Okay, that's what I would be expected for inviting other people. Okay, seems very interesting. I can choose is free so far. I can choose a mind map. So far very intuitive. Okay, get me a default map. Test one. I want to move this test one to wow, easy to use. You just have to hover to click on it. You can move somewhere else and write test two. I like it. Can you share this map? Yes. Can you save it as PDF at frame? NA4, well, not very good diagram, but for the sake of this experiment, you can customize it and you can save as an image. Yeah, in any format, apparently, not only the small one. You need to upgrade for higher resolution. What? Well, you can do it. Mind map saved. Beautiful. It works. It's not the goal of this video to show you how to use it, but to get the job in the easiest way possible. Miro, I liked it. I probably liked it even more than Figma. So my chart, I would say Diagram GPT and Hydromax are the best so far, following by Miro and Figma. Um, Next, I'm gonna just try to see if there is something better and easy because otherwise I think that we don't need to know 200 tools. It's good to be up to date, but it's good to know one tool that gets job done in with AI and with no AI that has more complex use cases and that is also get the job with AI if you want to get done in the easiest way possible. For more complex usage, not the purpose of this video to do that yet. If you want to know to go in deep more in depth, go in the comment. And by the way, if you like this video, consider to like the video and to subscribe to get more video like this. You want specific video to be done? Let me know because can consider doing it. This video has been done because someone wrote a comment in a previous video about diagrams, wanting some more work through to visualize what can be done and what those tools are. So thanks to your comment, it really means a lot to me to support to continue to do those videos. So let's see if anything else better than the previous choices. So let's look. Next one is visili.ai. Let's log in. Very polished graphic. I like it. Let's see what can be we can do. What we'll use this for? Other tests. What's your role? QA. Well, too many questions, but will not analyze. I find this question a bit invasive, to be honest, but I understand people that want to use it quickly will put the wrong answer, so that will not be very valuable. What do you think? Um, Someone that want to need to use it fast will not probably put the correct answer. How did you hear about Visily? Google. Where is Google? I can't find it. Other Google. Yes. So select what you want to accomplish. Yeah, you can choose the diagram you want, mind map. Where is create flow and diagrams? Diagram from text. I like create a diagram about expenses for a person living in Italy earning 2000 euro a month. Let's see what it does. It has credits, so watch out. This is free, but not forever. So easy to use. It deliver what I asked to. I will say 10, but it is not free. It is free for a limited time. That's not to penalize this tool. That's definitely the way they earn. But my goal in the video is to get job done anytime you want with those tools as long as possible for free. So let's see, it did the job. It's so interesting. Calculate expenses. I didn't give information, so obviously I didn't expect this. Very good diagram by text. You can if you want, you can edit it, uh, get more done. Interesting learning curve, but you can get as easy as done with the prompt. That's enough. So very good option. You might have to, well, to use AI, you have limited choice, which is anyway understandable. If you want to use it not with AI, probably you don't have to pay. As you can see, the free version, it gives two editable boards. It gives you some limits, which is a very good tool, but you have to pay to use it long term, seems to me, very quickly. Yep, I'm pro to use the previous models. AI flowchart. Here, AI flowchart.io. Oops, not found. Login. It doesn't work. Start generate. I will skip. Not probably you can use. There is a workaround, but I don't want my uh, review on something that is not working apparently. Chat UML seems something similar to draw.io, which is far the most known for creating UML diagrams. Thus, you can use AI. Interesting. Seems like an draw.io some superpowers. Creative account. Well, ChatUML seems an option to deal. For lack of time, considering this video is becoming quite long, I will not use this, but it seems not much different from draw.io with some use of AI. And let's see if there is a pricing. Go to app, can get free credits. Means that you the use of the AI, by the way, is limited, which is okay. But consider it as AI, but it's expected you to pay to use it after you finish the smart draw. Very beautiful. You document floor plans. There are some prompts that help you, like let's say flowchart. I like this. Seems very intuitive. Wow, you have all type of cards: engineering, infographic. I like this infographic. Double click. I can change text. Wow, I can add a new one. I can resize it. I can double click. I want to add the text. Yeah, how to add this text? I'm expecting or to do this. Say I click, right? Okay. I'm sure that I don't have to learn it, but some learning curve. It's not immediately. I expected to drag the text or to click the text, select the text, go to the circle, click on it, and then I can write. And I don't see any text. Um, I don't like it. I mean, I like it's to use and find the diagram, then to make edits, it looks a bit more complicated to me. If I spend more time, I'm sure that it's not complicated. But I could to edit in a few minutes. So I will skip. But looks good too, and it has actually better graphic to understand which diagram to use. To use purchase plan. Okay, seems like to use it, you need to pay. I'm clicking to it because I want to understand what I'm paying for individual. When I see this, super fair to pay. I just want to understand what I'm paying for because why I could edit these diagrams for. I don't understand if I can use it for free because when then I see payment individual payment per month, I don't understand what I'm paying for to use further. When I see this, it hint to me that to do anything, to save anything, I need to pay. Probably I can. In fact, it's not the purpose of this video. I think it's great that they want to be paid for the service, but I can get job done. You can't get job done for free. So next is Mermaid AI. Is a tool that I used in the past, which I liked. When you get to Mermaid, this is the UI. Click to the icon to start diagramming. It is a programmatic way to write diagrams. I It's one of the best that I would like to recommend because learning this way of programmatically, you can add diagrams. Require some practice and to learn how to use it to get the most out of it. But if it's free, so it's also the AI section with the prompt, which I click to see what happened when I click on it. Make a coffee, basically, a diagram to make a coffee, which was created very quickly. For unlimited chat messages, you need to pay. Seems like you can do things for free. You can create presentation, the whiteboard, version history, plugins, and you pay 6 per month for unlimited teams, unlimited comments, unlimited AI diagrams, private teams, the diagram per. Okay, you can do stuff free. So very good tool. You can use the editor for free all the time, as much as you like. You can either hear the diagram, learning how to do that, which is not the purpose now. Seems quite intuitive though. For example, B, which is this, it's simply an array where you write the name, the text you want to write inside, and some arrow to show to move on the connection from A to B. A is start. Not difficult to learn, to be honest. And also, if you want to add a note, you can add a rectangle here. Oh, you can drag and drop and create notes very easy. Well, Mermaid, I think, is one in the top three. So consider using this. We stop today. We found out that one of the best diagram tools to use are the following: Laser with the it's diagram GPT, Hydromax, but you have to pay, I think, after a certain amount. Need to check that, but sure, Eraser.io to get some job done. Hydromax, very good as well. Miro and Figjam and Mermaid. What do you find best tool out of those to get the job done? Let me know in the comments. I hope this video was valuable for you. Consider subscribing the channel if you liked it, and feel free to support my work with a like, comment to make this video out of other people. And see you in the next one.